Hello everybody and welcome back. For the stitch we're going to work on today, you need to chain multiple of 9 plus one additional chain at the end. For me now I'm going to chain 27 chains plus one at the end, which makes total of 28 chains. Okay, I have my chains. Let's start working on row 1. We have to start from the second chain from the hook, one single crochet and 3 more in the next 3 stitches, so we have total of 4 single crochet like this. In the next chain we have to make 3 single crochet together in one chain. 1, 2 and 3, and then we continue with 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8, and after that 3 single crochet in the next chain. 1, 2 and 3, then again 8 single crochet. After the 8th single crochet, again 3 in one chain, and if your project is wider, you will have more repeats of this 3 single crochet in one stitch than 8 single crochet in the next stitches. But my project is in the end, so I'll show you how to finish it. After the last 3 single crochet here, you have to have 4 chains left, and we have to make 1 single crochet in each of them. And this is the end of the row. To start row 2, chain 1 and turn. We're going to start from the first stitch right here. We're going to skip this one, which is right below the chain, and we have to work in the next one. We have to make 4 back loops single crochet, so we have to work only in the back loops of the stitches. Insert the hook, grab the yarn and make the first single crochet, and then 3 more. Here's the second, the third, and the fourth single crochet. Then in the next stitch here, which is at the top, we have to make again in the back loops 3 single crochet. 1, 2 and 3, And then we're moving on with again 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. After these 4 single crochet we have to skip the next 2 stitches and make another 4 single crochet in the next stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we reach the top here, we have to make 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3. And then we have again 4 single crochet, skip 2 stitches, 4 single crochet, and at the next top again 3 single crochet in the same stitch. So when you reach the end you must have 5 stitches left, so you can see I made my 3 stitches here. Continue with 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3. Now we have 2 stitches left. Skip the next one and go into the last one and just make 1 single crochet there. And this is how it's looking so far. The next 3 rows are absolutely the same, so I'm not going to show them on camera, but row 3, 4 and 5 are identical. Just follow the steps, chain 1, turn and continue. I'll wait for you at the beginning of row 6. I finished row 5 and this is how it's looking so far. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows so far. To start row 6, chain 1 and turn, skip the very first stitch at the beginning where the chain 1 is coming from, and into the next stitch in the back loop. Again, we're working only in the back loops. Make a slip stitch, and then 1 more slip stitch in the next chain, like this. Chain 5, and now we have to make 1 double treble crochet. So yarn over 3 times, go into the next stitch in the back loop, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. So this is our first double treble crochet. We need 1 more. Yarn over 3 times, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and pull through the remaining 2 loops. In the next stitch we have to make 3 double treble crochet together in 1 stitch. this is how it's looking so far. From now we continue with 3 double treble crochet in the next 3 stitches in the back loops. When we are done with these 3 stitches, we have to skip 4 stitches here, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the 5th, 3 double treble crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have the first stitch, in the next stitch the second double treble, and then the third in the next. Okay, this is how it's looking. In the next stitch we have 3 double treble crochet like we did here. So this is the row so far. We just need to finish it here. I just made the last 3 stitches together, so we have to make 3 more back loop double treble crochet. We're going to start from the next stitch to make the first one, and then the second double treble is in the next stitch, and here the third and last double treble crochet for this row is a little more specific. Instead of just inserting the hook in this chain here in this loop, we're going to insert it in every loop which is remaining, 3 loops right here. Yarn over, pull through all of these loops, and then just make the double treble crochet as usual. Now row 7, chain 1 and turn. This stitch we're going to start from the very first stitch right beneath the chain, and we have to make 1 back loop single crochet and then 3 more, so we have a total of 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the next stitch we have to make 3 single crochet in the back loop, 1, 2 and 3, and then 8 single crochet the next stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 3 into the next stitch, 1, 2, and then again 8. At the end of the row, so you can see I have already made my 3 single crochet in in one stitch, so we need 4 more so we can finish the row. So we're going to start with, here's the first one, the second, the third, and the last single crochet is in this chain right here. And this row is also ready. From now on, the rows start to repeat themselves. So basically what we did with row 7 was similar to row 1. From now on, you have to repeat rows from 2 to 7. So now you have to repeat rows 2, 3, 4 and 5 right here, and then move to row 6 with the double treble crochet. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this stitch. I personally really enjoy working on it, so I plan to make a scarf using it, and of course I'll have it as a PDF tutorial. But yeah, let me know, it's very interesting to hear your opinion about this stitch. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!